Remind me to turn that off after I get flight following. Yeah, we're going to pass through. I'm going to have to look for a hole to get above this because this is too low for me. And let's be sure all those plugs are in. I heard static. Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 1802 Victor, taking the active 15 east departure, Cleburne traffic.
You didn't do your run up?
I did. I did it. You were busy. Hey, we check final? Nothing happening? Oh, you want to open these? I had them closed for, we had company, and it was cold.
Are we going to be near those Cedar Hill poles?
No, if I go to Lancaster, we're way outside of that. Okay, I'm on regional approach now. And be ready with maybe channels and squawk codes. I'm going to have to climb a little bit before I can talk to regional approach. I'll try to tell you when I lean the engine. Won't scare you.
I don't want you to lean it at all.
Well, above 3,000 I have to lean it. It runs rough, it burns too much fuel.
Are we above all the towers?
Yes, at 3,000 feet. Yeah. Regional approach, Skyhawk 1802 Victor.
Skyhawk, calling via 5, say your call sign.
Skyhawk 1802 Victor.
Skyhawk 1802 Victor, regional approach, good afternoon. Regional altimeter 29992, say request.
This is a Cessna 172 about 4 east of Cleburne. Charlie Papa Tango request VFR flight following workload permitting to North Little Rock Oscar Romeo Kilo at 5,500.
November 02 Victor, thanks. Stand by for your beacon code.
I'm going to stay below the clouds for right now.
You're going down.
I'm going to stay right here.
November 02 Victor, squawk 0507.
0507, 02 Victor. See that little bug? Oh wow, what was it? A dragonfly?
I don't know. It's pretty high.
Gosh.
Don't you need to get up?
Yeah, but...
King 813, really doesn't matter to us. Is that best for you? Would you rather go to the airport or the VOR?
Yeah, VOR work.
King 813, fine next.
I'm going to stay below the Lancaster shelf, which is 4,000, until he clears me.
November 02 Victor, radar contact 12 miles southeast of the Fort Worth Sphinx Airport. Say your altitude.
3,400. Trying to look for a hole.
Didn't it show up on this?
Well, it should, but I don't know how to find it. So that's why I have this. This is the current chart. It's the active.
No, I mean this airplane. Shouldn't it show up on this?
It is right there.
No.
02 Victor, Silverman that altitude leaving?
3,500.
02 Victor, thanks.
Regional approach, Naval Golf 433 Solar, passing 8.547 with lead request.
I don't like this.
84 Golf 433
I'm going to get above all this.
Afternoon, center maintain
I have to pick my way through the clouds legally.
5,000, and we request the RNAV GPS Zulu 13.
You don't want me to go through.
My question is, shouldn't your
Golf 433 Zulu, that's our request. The next guy's going to make that determination.
Well, go to a different page, and it will.
Okay, I don't need to.
Roger, thanks.
Just fly.
Okay. This will be short and brief.
Oh my gosh.
I'm supposed to keep my...
Oh my gosh. I don't like it.
So look, wings level.
You need to get instrument rated.
And 433 Zulu, you wanted the INAV Zulu to runway 13 left, is that right?
I'm not cleared into Class Bravo. I got to stay below 4,000.
November 02 Victor, contact approach 125.2, good day.
125.2. 125.2, 02 Victor, thank you. Approach.
25.2.
125.2.
Okay, go.
Wait and see if there's any traffic. I want to stay outside of Class Bravo, but I don't want to lose altitude because I spend fuel climbing back up again. Regional approach, Skyhawk 1802 Victor, 4,000.
Number 02 Victor, first DFW altimeter 2992, say assigned heading.
Assigned heading is 063, 02 Victor. Actually, I can't. Not cleared me. I got to stay below 4. On left, but understand I can't get into
Yeah,
class.
I know.
Things running good.
Your hands on the wheel.
And the throttle. Where's Lancaster? Put your finger on it. Okay, so I got to stay below 4,000.
This is 02 Victor, say destination.
North Little Rock, Oscar, Romeo Kilo. He's trying to figure out how to send me.
What is that?
That's Lancaster that we dialed in. I'm not cleared into Class Bravo and I'd get in trouble. I need to stay right where I am. I'm basically having to follow this blue line. If you turned your map like that, that's where we would be, right along here. Well, I'm good right now, really below 4,000, so I can actually turn. All I got to do is check for clouds.
What airport is that?
Midway, between Waxahachie and Midlothian. He's not going to clear me into it. I got to stay below 4, and I can't do anything until I clear Class Bravo.
I see an airplane.
I do too. He's on the departure. Good eyes.
I lost him.
Couldn't have climbed up that fast.
There he is.
Okay.
That's our Southland Victor, contact first 118.1.
Yeah, keep your eyes on him. He's on a downwind for that airport, a left downwind.
He just took off.
Well, but he's in the pattern. Not climbing. They may give me a traffic report on him. He's probably squawking VFR. They don't know. They can't talk to him. Let me look at your chart one more time. I want to know what the difference is. That's 4,000 and that's 4,000. Okay, I'm good. Keep your eye on him.
Under us. He's right under us.
Well, they got me on radar with my squawk code.
But they can't see him.
Well, he should be squawking VFR. They can see him, but they can't talk.
CP5, traffic 2 climb from 6 miles northwest town, 5,000, Boeing 737.
Yeah, he just made a left turn, going opposite. I'm going to kind of stay where we are until we get out of it.
33 Zulu.
In a little bit, he'll probably tell me I can fly direct, but he hadn't cleared me into the shelf.
So you think all the incoming airplanes are...
above me. They come in high and drop.
What about these airplanes?
Okay, now, Lancaster may, but Lancaster, I'm at 3,000, and Lancaster's, well, I'll tell you, their pattern's going to be 1,500. I'm at 3,000. They should be...
225, we're driving up after climb at 8,000.
Now, we should be able to see Lancaster pretty quick. Should be right up here somewhere.
Shine 2-lane Mike to summit at 6,000.
That's where Ben and I went that real scudsy day. Sure is. That's where Ben and I went on that real scudsy day. It's got a left pattern. If we were landing to the south, I'd have to cross over. Right where I really want to be. I'll tell you what you could do. When we get right on top, go ahead and put direct to 1 Mike 1, which is North Little Rock. And we don't have to worry about Class Bravo. I thought he'd give me one more, either a vector or clear me into Class Bravo or let me cut the corner.
Did you announce to this airport?
I don't need...
225, climb at 10,000.
Now I can monitor it. Why don't you give me their common channel and put it down here?
10,000 and 3202, so plus 225.
118.
Wait, that's their weather. Look again. See that letter C?
1227.
Yeah, just put it in our monitor and let's listen if there's anybody in the pattern. I really want to climb up way above all this. We'll make better time. The winds are better.
Do I hear, is it on?
Turn it all the way up, yeah. It's on. If you want to check it, put their AWAS in and see if you even pick that up. Because that'll be recorded.
Well, I got to look for airplanes.
Okay. If they're landing to the south, it should be on the far side of the field making left turns.
Okay. 0, X-rays, radar contact, clear through the Bravo airspace, climb at 3,000.
Hey, I'm going to, let's see if I'm out. No, I'm still on the shelf, below the shelf at 4,000.
Can you ask
That
it
may
to be
be it.
cleared?
Yeah, I sure could. But you would probably say no. It's a workload permitting their help of us, except to follow us.
Lancaster traffic, Cessna 19422, 4 to the west, inbound for landing Lancaster.
As soon as I can get out of there, I'm up and running.
I think it looks bad.
No, this is called a broken layer, broken to scattered.
It's real dark.
Yeah, but you can see in front of us what's going on.
X-ray, climb at 3,000.
It's not an overcast. It's not just...
0, X-ray, radar at 2,500, heading 060.
He's hard to understand.
Yeah, he is. Yeah, we want to get up to 5,500. Now, is 40 off I-20 or 175?
What?
Forney, the town of Forney.
20.
Yeah, he knows that I don't need Class Bravo to go where I'm going. I'm almost out of Class Bravo.
I'm going to keep all the rules.
I think I am out of Class Bravo. Put your finger on the chart where you think we are. We're crossing over the top of, well, it's hard to see, but I-20.
Are you sure we're not crossing I-45?
No, we've already crossed 45. You know what? That may be 45, and 20's up here. You're exactly right. So...
45.
Well, no, but we're a long way from Lancaster. I think we crossed whatever that is.
That's 175.
Okay, well, we just crossed 175, and this must be I-20 coming up. See, as soon as I cross that little
Golf 433 Zulu, turn left heading
I'm
320.
climbing out of this stuff.
That's 320, Golf 433 Zulu.
There.
Are you going to tell him you're going to climb?
No. He may ask me, but once I get away from Class Bravo, they'll see what I'm doing. I could request it, but they don't order me to keep certain altitudes unless I'm inside of Class Bravo or there's some other reason going on out of the ordinary.
Victor, what altitude are you looking for?
5,500.
Can climb the requested altitude?
02 Victor, thank you. Okay, we can climb. They were watching me. They knew what I was doing.